Pipo, we greet you now. Welcome now specially to this our channel. We are not saying our latest updated updates. Now we dey carry come for now for this channel. So I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime I say we drop updates, una go dey notified. I beg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una. E don burst o. Pa Bode George don pass better strong warning to dem Festus Keyamo and others. According to am, he talk say if Babati call am, he fit answer, but to go meet am or call am, that one na wetin no go fit happen lie. He still address the issue when dem dey use the name take dey do obubu yeye for media and paper. He pass better strong warning to dem Festus Keyamo and others make dem respect themselves, say he still be lion and he still fit bite o. My people, no be small warning o. Make I leave una, make una watch this video now, make una hear more of wetin Pa Bode George talk for the interview wey he do on top Arise News.
Well, people in your profession sometimes can be mischievous. Now, if there was a gentleman, first of all, the guy who posted it in his paper, the leadership, they were not at the press conference. Now, if they asked me that what would I do if Tinubu calls me, and I said precisely, exactly, that if he calls me, I will pray for Nigeria. Listen, I am not a flip-flopper by any profession. I retired as a general. What would he be calling me for? We don't belong to the same party. If he wants to say, Chief, good morning, and I say, Mr. President, that is if all the court cases are over. We are still in court. Even when Papa Olusi came, trying to convince me to go and pay a congratulatory visit to him, I said, no, I can't do that. So, what futuristic thing? What would they be doing in their calculations? I've told you I have no personal qualms with this gentleman. The only differences we have are purely administrative. Their managerial style are not in my style. So why would I, at this age, be running around for a job? Job at what? The first time I was exposed to public management, I was 42 years old. Now I'm almost 40. My first child is 50 years plus. Now, why would I be looking for any job if he calls? And you cannot disrespect him, but to put it in his own mind, that I, Bode George, will be looking for job at this time. Come on, let some of these people put on their thinking cap and stop spreading unnecessary rumor. I am not a green chick. I can fight when it is necessary, but I don't do it because I want to do it. In fact, I was one of the lackeys who was quoted, because it was my son who called me, that daddy, hear what this fellow said, and I want to advise him, back away from me. He's had enough. That is the Keyamo boy. I did not say that, and I will never say it. I am not looking for any job, and I have reached the end of my own public career. Now, you look at the issue, like I said, at the age of 42, I was a military governor. I've had appointments in the villa. I have served. With you, Ruben, too, you remember where you were serving in the villa. I was always there, on consultations, on advice, and, with President Jonathan. I worked with Baba for 8 years. And I am not a deputy chairman Southwest. I was deputy national chairman of the party for the whole country. What am I looking for now? Let these boys be a little bit careful. You know, this attitude, this cavalier attitude, and this irresponsible bunch of people trying to sell their newspaper. Please clear from my own yard, because I am still a lion that I can bite.
Hey, my people, not be small thing though. Una see wetin dey happen. How una see all this matter? How una reason am? Anyway, my people, make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video.